Guinness Onion Jam Burgers. Let's get involved, people. Come on. Woo!
Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we're going to be cooking up a Guinness Onion Jam Burger. It's going to be incredible. We're going to it's sort of like a celebration for St. Patty's Day, just a different take on it. So, who do we have coming over tonight? Guys, we have Steve Wheeler on guitar. We also have a newcomer tonight. His name is Larry Rollerson. He's going to be playing bass for us tonight. We also have Ian Atkinson on the keys and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved, people. Boom! Okay, to start with, we're going to be pattying up some all-beef patties, about half pound, 80-20 beef. About half pound patties. We're going to get these all set up, and we're going to see you guys back here in a second. Okay, so let's get involved with this jam. So essentially what we're going to be using is, we're going to be using a can of Guinness, one can. We're using some barbecue jams rub, using about a stick of butter, 2 onion, and about a half a cup of brown sugar. So this is going to be our Guinness Onion Jam. So here we go. All right, so we are all chopped up, looking good. We're going to throw some butter in, along with some barbecue jams rub and a Guinness, along with some brown sugar. All right, time to go on with the burgers. Here we go. All right, it's time to give them a flip. All right, we'll see you guys back here in a minute. All right, we're throwing some cheese on. Got some American slices, just putting them right on top. Onion jam is almost finished up. We're cheesing up these burgers, and we're gonna be serving up here in just a minute. Hope you guys are enjoying these jams, liking and subscribing. Come on now. Hey, I'm just getting these buns ready. We're going to toast these buns, or we're going to start assembling these burgers here in just a second. So you guys, here we go. All right, guys, these burgers are ready to be eaten. I'm going to bring on the guys who are going to be playing tonight. So we have Ian Atkinson over here. What's up, dude? Back over here, right? Oh my God, surprise,
A little sabbatical from Max.
Are you excited about some of these burgers?
Oh, they look delicious.
Oh my God, I can't wait to tear into these things. And we also have Steve Wheeler over here. Come on down. What's up, dude?
I'm helping. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay, love it.
Come on in. You excited?
Oh yeah,
I know.
I'm touching myself.
And we also have a newcomer tonight. We've got Larry Rollerson over here. Come on down. So Larry, what's up, buddy? You ready to throw down some bass with us tonight? Man, this is going to be great.
Oh, I'm super excited.
All right, cool. Well, hey, look, without further ado, guys, let's get involved with some of these burgers. And Steve, you're going to get your burger later. I know you.
Yes, to go, please, sir.
Yes, I'll hook you up. But here, we're going to hook up Ian over here. Okay.
Right, I'm out of the way.
All right, okay.
We'll get elbowed.
There he lies. Man, that makes. All right, sweet. And I'm going to go for this guy right here. And I'm going to say cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers to our jams tonight and this burger right here. So,
Woo. Oh, yeah.
carnivores. Oh, man. Whoa. Dude.
That's unbelievable.
That looks so good.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my God. Guys,
You know, I was the mess, man.
that onion jam is jam up. Oh, my God. Now, arugula is nice, too, on that, too. That's nice.
Nice flavor.
Woo! Guys, get involved with some of these Guinness Onion Jam Burgers, dude. It's so good. I'm going to bring on some other guys, too, here. So, we also have Anthony over here. Anthony asked me to hook us up with some of his beans also from Yellow Rose Barbecue. What's up, dude?
Great to see you.
How's it going, man?
Yeah. These are great.
Pick your weapon.
Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Man.
Oh, bro. Hey, and Mark, come on here if you want. Come on now. Hey, what's pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
Dude.
Ooh.
Oh, man. Yeah, just whatever you want to go for, dude. Go for it.
And then you got Levy.
And I'm stuck in my face. We have another guy over here, Logan. Come on down, bro.
Oh, stop.
What's up, man?
I think I'll
Welcome to the show. Yeah, Dragon Burger, man.
Good.
So good. Oh, Patty, move. Wait, man. Just always getting nailed by all the droppings from all of our food over here.
Look, this
Johnny,
how do you live it?
thank you very much.
Incredible. This is amazing.
You did.
Incredible. So yeah.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Red.
Oh, man.
I got sweet onions.
Oh, dude, not good? Yeah, sweet onions, great eat. Perfect.
yeah.
Oh, man. These burgers are right on time, guys. We're going to go ahead and wrap these burgers up, and you guys check out these jams. We'll be right back. Woo! Guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Oh my God, those Guinness burgers were incredible. What'd you guys think of those burgers? So good. Oh my God. And we also have a couple of newcomers over here tonight. We've got Logan over here. What's up?
Yeah.
How's it going, man? And we also have Larry over here. What's up, Larry?
All right,
Hey,
Larry.
welcome to the show. Welcome
Thanks,
to the show.
man.
Larry's gonna throw down
Loving
some bass over here. You guys can check it out. So hey, look, we've got some gifts for you guys. We've got a nice shirt. Check it out, looking good. There you are. Yeah, man. And I got you one as well. Here you are, looking good.
How we looking?
Looking sweet. Hey guys, and it's official. You guys have been BBQ Jams. Oh! Guys, we've had a blast here tonight. You guys like and subscribe. You know the drill. Come on, let's get involved, people. Woo!